In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix reply option missing on Instagram. First, let me quickly show you how you can reply to a message on Instagram. Now, the way that you reply is you can simply tap and hold on the message and then reply option should pop up right here. Or you can also swipe this message to the right side like so, and automatically you will be replying to the person. If you try out both of these things and you don't see the reply option on your account, the first thing that you can do is you can try to update the app of Instagram. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. Now if there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update your app of Instagram. Once it's updated, make sure you check if it fixes the problem. If it still is not, you can now try to join the beta version of Instagram. Tap the Instagram logo right here, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll have an option of join right here. Because I've already joined, mine does not have that option, but if you haven't, you'll have an option of join right here, and you can join the beta version. Beta versions are the latest versions and will have the latest features of any applications that other people would not have. Now once you join the beta version, you should pretty much have that option of replying on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.